Welcome back to Hambalung Studio. Where we believe that every corner of your home has a story waiting to be told. Have you ever stood in the middle of a room, feeling like it lacks that deep, soulful heartbeat? We have all been there, staring at walls that feel uninspired and spaces that just do not reflect who we truly are today. That is why we are diving deep into the art of transformative living. Exploring how to craft spaces that breathe life into your daily routine. Whether you are carving out a smart, functional nook with sleek office furniture that marries productivity with elegance, or completely rethinking your layout through warm, intentional decor, your dream home is much closer than you think. Today, we are taking you on a gorgeous room-by-room journey, tackling everything from serene sanctuaries to an inspiring idea. Cozy Family Farmhouse Dining Room, on a budget room refresh thrift flip that proves style doesn't require a fortune. Get ready to look at your spaces with fresh eyes, because your ultimate farmhouse-inspired home evolution starts right now. Curating contemporary heritage. The living room is the heartbeat of the house, the gathering place where life unfolds. To master this space, lean into a design style that merges rustic modern farmhouse elements with contemporary heritage. Start with a neutral palette of warm whites and muted earth tones to create an airy, expansive foundation. Layer textures through a mix of raw linen upholstery, reclaimed wood accents, and artisan ceramics. Instead of matching sets, curate pieces with history, a vintage coffee table paired with sleek, minimalist seating. Bring in functional elements like an integrated, beautifully styled office furniture setup that blends seamlessly into the rustic aesthetic without disrupting the room's serene flow. Let natural light pour in, highlighting the subtle imperfections that give the room its authentic character. The Cozy Family Farmhouse Refresh. The kitchen and dining area is where stories are shared over morning coffee and evening feasts. If you think creating a heart-stopping dining space requires a massive budget, think again. Welcome to the ultimate budget-friendly transformation. Embrace the warmth of organic minimalism and raw earth textures. Cozy Family Farmhouse Dining Room. On a budget room refresh, thrift flip. Asterisk, imagine taking a journey through local flea markets and thrift stores to find a weathered wooden dining table brimming with character. With a little sanding, a coat of matte protective finish, and mismatched vintage chairs collected over time, you create an eating space that feels deeply personal and inviting. Integrate classic farmhouse elements like open wooden shelving styled with stoneware, simple linen table runners, and antique brass lighting fixtures that elevate the room's entire ambience. This isn't just about saving money, it is about infusing your dining space with soul, history, and unmistakable decor charm. A haven of warm organic minimalism. Your bedroom should be your ultimate retreat, a quiet cocoon far away from the noise of the outside world. Focus on tactile comfort and sensory calm through warm organic minimalism. Strip away the clutter and focus on what truly matters, a restful night's sleep framed by beauty. Layer your bed with stone-washed linen duvet covers in shades of oatmeal, olive, and cream. Introduce raw timber bed frames, handmade terracotta bedside lamps, and unpolished stone trays. By keeping the palette restrained and the textures rich, the bedroom becomes a tactile experience that invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and surrender to tranquility. Your personal spa sanctuary. Often overlooked, the bathroom holds immense potential to become a daily luxury retreat. Channel the tranquil elegance of a boutique spa by combining clean architectural lines with earthy, natural elements. Swap out harsh lighting for warm, diffused wall sconces. Introduce natural teak wood bath mats. Plush organic cotton towels rolled neatly in wire baskets, and amber glass soap dispensers. Accentuate the space with a simple ceramic vase holding a single eucalyptus branch, filling the air with a subtle, refreshing aroma every time you step inside. It is proof that even the smallest spaces can deliver an immense sensory escape. Blending indoors with the wild. A truly complete home extends its soul beyond the walls and into the open air. Design an outdoor sanctuary that feels like a natural continuation of your indoor living spaces. Frame your garden seating area with climbing vines, weather-resistant textured concrete pavers, and rustic wooden pergolas draped in twinkling string lights. Mix potted ferns, ornamental grasses, and blooming perennials to create layers of depth and movement. Whether you are sipping your morning tea surrounded by birdsong or hosting a quiet evening gathering under the stars, your garden becomes a living tapestry of green tranquility. As we wrap up today's journey here at Hambalung Studio, remember that creating a sanctuary you love is not about perfection. It is about intention, creativity, and personal expression. From mastering budget-friendly transformations like our idea, cozy family farmhouse dining room, on a budget room refresh, thrift flip to seamlessly blending multifunctional office furniture into your rustic layout. Every single piece of decor you choose helps write your unique story. We hope these design styles inspire you to look at your own farmhouse spaces with renewed excitement and a hammer in hand. If you enjoyed this creative journey and want to see more inspiring transformations, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like to support our channel, and share this video with fellow design lovers. Join our growing community by dropping a comment below with your favorite room tip from today. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep building spaces you love.